I'm very excited to see what my new hair looks like, so thank you very much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. How exciting!
Yeah. And the winds were so strong, and you sort of getting towards like the second peak, thinking, I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
But I've made money for a charity.
Well done.
And you did it in 24?
Yeah, I did it in 24 hours. You think you're okay with it?
Yeah.
And then suddenly I just want to go, check me. So yeah, it's a bit weird. But a lovely beard.
Yeah, but the good thing is you can be both, can't you? That's what you said on these. I think that's the best way to do it for you personally. That's.
I think it's God, I don't want to sound like I'm really depressed or something, but when
You don't
lose
look
your hair,
depressed.
no, I'm extremely happy. I'm beyond happy. But I think when you lose your hair, on top of a lot of things that you've gone through, then suddenly you just think, I'm not pretty. I'm getting old, and then this has happened. You just think, do you want to like chuck anything else in my face?
Oh.
And then now I've got hair. Am I doing the right thing? Are you filming?
I'm just chatting.
Right.
I'm just chatting. I think I might as well start chatting now. It's taking this time. How are you feeling? Strange. Honestly.
Honestly.
It doesn't matter what you say because there's a lot to take in.
I love it, and I'm feeling a bit kind of. Yeah, it's just from accepting my condition for 15 years to suddenly getting this experience and you allowing me to.
Yeah, but it's optional, remember? That's like you said on
No,
the
exactly.
swimming,
No,
yeah?
definitely.
I think that'd be best for you, definitely.
No, but it's lovely. I kind of just want to. Am I too old to go clubbing?
Don't be silly.
Never too old. Or dancing on tables. I know.
We can do that now.
I was thinking I was going to maybe like audition for Strictly Comes Dancing because I thought, well, obviously they don't want me because I'm bald, but maybe.
Do you really think so?
Yeah, I do think sometimes people don't
Oh,
want me.
I don't. I'd like to think not.
If would this stick on? Do you want to try dancing?
Not with the camera, go on, Jude. Yeah, well, if mine does.
Have a dance off.
Have a dance off. Yeah, I'll have a
we?
dance off. Let's try that one. Okay, ready? Go. No idea. Okay.
Yeah, it'd be my
Something kind of it's jumping on my tooth. Oh, that's not really.
Well,
This is fun. Little port out of audition.
I think it looks like Daisy Duke, as Phil calls me.
Yeah, Daisy Duke.
Yeah. Yeah, Daisy Duke. Yeah.
Oh, I wish I was that cool. She met in the car.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.